Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at ktalnews.com and your Weather Authority app. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Wednesday morning forecast update. It is going to turn breezy, much warmer today as high temperatures return to the mid 80s, and that warm up coming ahead of a cold front that will move in tomorrow. So we still expect to see a few scattered severe thunderstorms Thursday afternoon into Thursday night. Really large hail again will be the main threat for us, and could see a decent amount of rain. I'll touch on that in just a moment. But very few concerns here on your Wednesday, as we did have the south breeze yesterday. Just kind of slowly increase our humidity. You won't feel much of it this morning, but that little uptick in humidity has held our temperatures up overnight. So most of us starting out close to 60 degrees this morning, so very comfortable early morning temperatures. And by later today, we'll start to feel that warmer air build in. So our highs, after being comfortably in the 70s Monday and Tuesday, return to the mid 80s. So the air conditioning will likely be back on today. Looking at the water vapor satellite here, you can see this area of orange, some very dry air back in Texas, and you can see some of the moisture on top of that. That's our next cold front. So we have kind of the classic spring severe weather setup as we have that dry line and cold front combo. You get dry air out there, and again, that humidity will kind of lift over the dry air, and that will help trigger some of those thunderstorms later today. So there actually is a severe weather threat over into Oklahoma, Kansas, and portions of North Texas over towards the Panhandle. And then by tomorrow, we'll see that pattern shift into the Arklatex. So at this point, we still expect to see some scattered severe storms. The overall setup, this is a level 2 slight risk, which means scattered severe storms will be possible. And looks like hail and high wind will be the main issues with the storms here. And we can't rule out maybe some isolated flooding as well. Tornado threat is low, but as we saw this last weekend, even when the tornado threat is low, we can get some confirmed tornadoes. So that will be something we'll have to watch, especially Thursday afternoon into Thursday evening, with the severe weather threat likely dissipating as we go through Thursday night. So taking a look at your Robbins Toyota Futurecast for today, not likely to see much, if any, rainfall out there. We'll just kind of stay partly cloudy tonight. Could see a few rain showers early tomorrow, but the cold front that will bring that severe weather threat will start to move in mid to late afternoon. So if we did begin to see some severe weather here, likely 4 or 5 p.m. in the afternoon, and that front will push towards the rest of the region here once we get into Thursday night. Front may slow up or kind of stall out here close to I-20, so we're showing maybe some locations here receiving about 2 inches of rain. Severe weather threat initially will likely come to an end late Thursday, early Friday, but there may be some redevelopment here on a Friday that we'll have to look out for, especially down towards Sabine and Natchitoches parishes. But I think once we're into Friday afternoon, any kind of severe weather threat will have come to an end here, but the rain will likely continue through the day on Friday, but the heaviest rain will likely come in with those strong thunderstorms tomorrow. Again, showing a good inch or 2 of rain for most of the region. There may be some bullseyes in here where we see a good 2 to 3 inches of rain, so some flooded roads may occur, especially late Thursday, early Friday, but we will get a chance to dry out over the weekend. Weekend looking pretty decent. We should be in the 70s or low 70s on Saturday. Slightly cooler as we do have some clouds coming back, and maybe just a slight chance of rain on Sunday, but right now I've left the rain out of the forecast. And speaking of rain, starting out next week dry, but it looks like a few showers and storms coming back maybe next Tuesday and Wednesday as well.